If you are deciding to open an online store on Shopify, you will need some great products to sell so you can get a lot of money immediately. So guys, I'm going to concentrate this video on the top winning products that you can sell and make yourself a lot of money immediately. So I'm going to show you not only the top winning products, but also I'm going to show you how you can yourself search up for products based on three criteria and also where you can find those products. So guys, use this valuable information for yourself and of course start opening your online store and sell and make a lot of profits. Now before I show you and reveal to you everything, first of all, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also thank you for always watching my videos and following me up for the new updates that I always make. Now let's get to the point of this video, which was the top winning products. Let's start with the first winning product, which I would totally recommend to you selling it because I think it will give you a lot of profits. I'm also going to show you people selling this product and earning a lot of money. So as you can see, the first product is this Star Night Lights, which can be very amusing. You can use this projector, galaxy projector, in any type of room, but especially on your bedroom. But also during the Christmas nights, it will be amazing, a starry night, right? So star in the skies in your room would be very attractive, amazing. It will make your room more magical and relaxing. So this is why people would love to have these products in their house, and it is one of the most sell products right now. So I have created already a page in which I'm going to sell this product. As you can see, I have put over here the details, the price, the reviews, and everything. And don't forget to also, guys, put the description of the product because everyone should know how it works, how it functions, what it has, and everything else. Because without this information, they would probably just skip the product and never buy it. Also, don't forget the reviews because they are really important. No one is going to buy your product if you don't have some reviews. You can ask this for as a help to your family members or your friends just to start off with some reviews, and then later on, as soon as people are going to order your product, you can ask them nicely to leave a review when they get the product. Now guys, you can also open a TikTok as these people have done to promote this product. As you can see, a lot of people are promoting this product through TikTok, and you can see that they have got millions of views. And just imagine that from those millions of views, at least thousands of them have ordered this product for themselves. So let me show you this page over here called Astron Project, who has reached out to 37,000 of followers on TikTok and is making so much money by just publishing over and over again a Galaxy projector and getting a lot of orders in their website. So guys, I'm also going to show you another site that has been opened specifically about selling this kind of Galaxy projectors, which is the owner, this girl over here. As you can see, she's pretty famous. She has a lot of followers on Instagram. She is a e-commerce trainer, and also she is an influencer. So she has reached out to so many high expectations of herself just by selling these simple products, and she has started by selling Galaxy projectors, and she has reached out to where she is right now. So this is why I'm telling you guys that by selling the right products, you can become very successful. Now the second product which is really good and I would totally recommend to you is this hair removal. Now every girl would love to have this in their home because it's practical. They can get it anywhere while they're traveling or in any other places. This is one of the best devices for hair removal because it can be used with the latest technology, not harmful at all, and it's becoming so famous these days. Now, when you get this product, you can put your logo over here, which I think most of the people would love this, right? Because in this way, you will make the product look like it is in your brand. So guys, you can check out this over here, this page who has been opened specifically to sell this hair removal, and you can check it out how they have created. You can see the product over here that you can order. Also, you can see the description of the product, some pictures, and also the reviews, which are a lot. There are 3,000 reviews, which means that this product is a very required and a lot of people would love to have it. And Lux Skin is becoming so huge as a website out there for selling this type of products, and they're getting so many money. Now guys, another winning product is this curly hair over here, which is basically an iron for curling your hair and make it waver too. It is very amazing because it's practical, you can take it by anywhere, and of course it's with wireless. Now you can curl your hair while you are in a car, in a plane, or in your office. So you can curl your hair by anywhere. If you have let's say a party and you want to go but you cannot go immediately to the hairdresser, so you can use this iron ceramic hair waver, which is amazing because it works with USB wireless. So I would totally recommend to you because it's like a product that never seen before and can really change the lives of girls and make it much easier. Another product which I will recommend to you and people would love it is this holder of toothbrush, toothpaste, perfume, and other things that you can place over here, but most specifically about toothbrush because it has a sterilizer down below that they can put the toothbrush over here and can keep it clean. So people who are obsessed with the hygiene would love this product to have it in their bathroom and doesn't take a lot of space. Now guys, when you choose a product, you should have 3 criteria in your mind, as I told you at the beginning of this video. So to be capable of choosing the right product, first of all, you should see the good profit margin from it, and then also the availability. The availability of this product that you're choosing should be very low. So if you're choosing a product, be careful to choose a product which it doesn't be sold on every other site, for example in Walmart, because people would go to the Walmart and order that product. So your chance of winning with Walmart is 0 because Walmart is such a big brand out there. So try to choose those products which Walmart doesn't have or Amazon doesn't have, so very unique products. But also products with a very high demand. So products that people would love to have them, to use them, that are very practical on their life. Do not go for products who would never have a function in their everyday life. So the curly hair or the hair removal that I showed you guys and we saw together are products that people would love to use them and make their life easier. So you should concentrate on this type of products. Now that you know the 3 criteria, now you're probably wondering to yourself where I can find these products. You can find this type of products on Alibaba.com, which I love it and I would totally recommend to you to use it because it's worldwide available and it has some really amazing products. Just go to top ranking and here you're going to see which are the most preferable or the most popular products ordered on Alibaba. So in this way you will have a clear idea what to sell for yourself. And of course guys, you can also see the new arrivals, so in this way you will keep updated what is becoming new, what are people loving these deals and things like this. And also you can check out the best-selling products in 2022, so in this way you will know what people have loved the most and what do they order mostly. So in this way you can create your store with the best products and sell them for yourself and make yourself a bunch of money. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and also check out other videos as well.